In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN on a Samsung Smart TV, so you can enjoy live sports and highlights. Let's get started. To watch ESPN, start by opening the Samsung Smart Hub on your TV and searching for the ESPN app in the App Store. Download and install the app, then open it. Select Sign In or Activate, and you'll see an activation code displayed on your screen. Next, visit espn.com/activate on your computer or mobile device. Log in to your ESPN account or create one if needed, and enter the code to link your TV. If you don't have ESPN Plus, subscribe to it or link a supported TV provider that includes ESPN. Once activated, return to the ESPN app on your Samsung Smart TV. You can now stream live sports, watch highlights, and access exclusive ESPN Plus content directly on your TV. For offline viewing, download eligible ESPN Plus content on a mobile device while connected to Wi-Fi. Ensure your TV is connected to a stable internet connection for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy ESPN on your Samsung Smart TV.